We have our barrel wave here today. This is our curl defining cream that you'll find in our Elements styling range. With this particular product, it's going to help define the curl, but also smooth down the curl so it's longer lasting. We're going to use about a 20-cent piece to start off with. If you need to apply more, you can. Working it through the hands and then evenly distributing it throughout the head of hair. Making sure that you're covering and smoothing it down, and that will help eliminate most of that frizz for you. Once you've applied the product evenly throughout the head of hair, you can section the hair and define those individual curls, and that will help smooth down the cuticles, so then that way you will have less frizz. Here we have our finished look from our barrel wave. You can see that it's really defined the curl, added shine, and it's going to give you nice hold so you've got a longer lasting curl for the day.